Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you a new image ID that you can use with the new picture frame props in Grow a Garden 2. This ID for a special meme, I hit the jackpot like this, the viral meme like this. So first you need to get the picture frame crate from the prop shops to get this frame crate, and it costs 250,000 cyclops. And then when you open it, you will receive a random picture frame size. In here I got the small one. And then after that, you can just display any image by using an image ID on here. Just tap on this edit, and then you can just enter this ID for this viral meme. I hit the jackpots meme, and then after that just enter, and just like that you will get this uh final meme display on your picture frame like this. You can see it. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.